Hello, fellow traders. Since I was named Mr. VIX, here is an update on that indicator. We touched this reversal yesterday. It was a turning point. Failed to take it out. By the looks of it, it starts to look like a move. A very big move. Don't know what's happening, but always pay attention to this. And that's why it's important to have the accurate reversals every day, especially on VIX. Just bear in mind there's some reversals here. Once we push those, it goes very fast, very high. But I will post in the private Substacks channel to show you how high it can go. Alright, take care and remember, do your own research.